One.
Ow. You want one egg?
One carton. Good afternoon. We are headed into town today. We're going to, I think we're going to go to Chick-fil-a, let the kids bounce around inside because it's going to start raining any minute now. And then we're going to go to get some haircuts. Obviously not me, but the kids are going to get haircuts because we have family photos this Friday with our friend Brandon. And then we are going to, I think we're going to go to Aldi and probably Walmart, pick up some supplies. So why don't you guys ride along with us and see what happens today. Got a helmet. Aaron bought a new helmet for Ben, but got the same size because it looked bigger, and I guess we had bought a bigger one before and forgot.
No, that's the only one he's ever had.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
I guess I started him on a 3 to 5 because other kids have large heads.
Our 2.5-year-old has a 3 to 5, or I guess his head's bigger than a 3 to 5 helmet. So our kids have had big heads though.
Yeah.
So.
Enormous brains. They're just so smart. Just so smart.
So how do you think the haircuts are gonna go? Ben has been hot and cold on haircuts.
Yeah.
This is the worst flagger. There's a guy up here, like, you know, holding a slow sign and a stop sign because they're doing construction around the corner up here. Dude's up here, like, playing with the sign, and when we rolled up on it, there was a car stopped, but the sign said slow because he was too busy on his phone to realize that it had rotated in his hand.
Yeah.
And then, like, he dropped it a minute ago, and he has one job.
He's one job, and he is
really not doing
up.
it very well. It's very strange. Okay, this route was not faster.
Nope.
Yeah, so Ben's always hot and cold on haircuts.
Yeah, he is.
Sometimes he'll just sit there and let it happen, and other times it's like they're removing skin from his head.
Yeah, and sometimes he's sat by himself. I
Yep.
mean, even when he was younger, and then I think the last time I had to hold him,
Yep.
which is fine. I don't mind doing that, but I just feel like I'm in the way.
Yeah. The best thing that gets him to sit there is we give him a lollipop.
Give him a lollipop, and then it just gets gross.
But then you get hair on the lollipop, which is disgusting.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So we'll see how that goes.
We'll see how it goes. We'll bring a lollipop in.
How's that ice cream, Brookie?
Good.
Yeah? Is it cold, buddy?
Yummy.
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Yeah.
How's yours?
Eat it faster, girl.
Yeah, you need to get that faster. It's going to melt all down your hand.
Bites of it.
All right, Chick-fil-A. It's nice because we roll up in there, and kids go straight for the playground, and we just order the food, and the food shows up, and when they come out to grab stuff to eat, it's fine. We can sit there. It's very low stress.
Yes. Thank you, Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Whereas everywhere else
It's high stress.
Ben is running around and trying to get away from the table and all that, but we always sit right by the playground. They can come and go.
Yep, he comes right out to us. He gets a bite to eat, and then he goes straight back in.
Yep. So works well. So we're gonna go do haircuts now. What were you pointing at?
Those pumpkins were gross.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, those pumpkins need to
Oh
go.
my God.
Wow. Yeah, so haircut time.
Haircut time.
Alrighty. Are you gonna sit, buddy?
Yep, he's gonna do a great job. Yep.
Not looking great. It's not looking good for Ben, so I had to come out to find him some bribery in the form of lollipops. Whew, holy cow. Ben was not having that. We had to hold him down and fight with him, and he was screaming and crying the whole time. But he got his hair cut most of the way. Probably would look a little bit better. He's still having a little bit of trouble. You okay, buddy? You okay? Oh, okay, time to run into Aldi. Erin ran into Walmart to do the returns, and I think she got a bigger helmet for Ben, I'm not sure. But we're gonna run into Aldi now. The rain has started, and it's supposed to get a lot heavier soon. It's supposed to rain like all night. It's supposed to get like 3 inches tonight. So do you want to do the cart?
Yeah.
Just pull. There you go. Yay, cart! All right, let's go see what we can find. Oh, that's Aldi's backwards.
Yeah, it is.
We haven't been on this one. They're like goldfish. Yeah. It's the Aldi brand goldfish. What else are we here for?
Peanut butter pretzels.
Yeah, go for it.
2 bags?
Just one. Those things are really, really good.
So good.
So you wanted to get smoothie stuff, right?
Yes.
You want to try out our new blender?
Yeah. See
Yeah?
if it works really well.
All right, let's find some smoothie
What
stuff.
happened to the top of that lemonade?
I don't know. Looks like it got dropped. All right, so you got mangoes, peaches, mixed fruits. All right, let's see what's in here. What's in the mixed fruit? Strawberry, pineapple, mango, and peach. Grab one of those.
Okay. Mixed fruit, that will make a whole smoothie.
And do you want just mango? What's the one to the left of the mango? Tropical blend?
It's
Okay.
mango, pineapple, papaya, and strawberries. I don't like papaya.
You don't like papaya?
No.
Go ahead and get the tropical one, and we'll just pick the papaya out for yours.
All right.
Okay.
So we got 2 mixed ones.
Okay.
For these, because
And then
that's all we want.
they have smoothie directions.
Somewhere.
Yeah. They say pineapple
It says
juice
per
and
one
yogurt.
per 1 cup serving.
Pineapple juice and yogurt. Pineapple juice and yogurt. So we need to get some pineapple juice and yogurt. Okay, we can't find pineapple juice, so we're going to use orange juice instead, which I think will be just fine. Here's our Aldi haul today.
Yay!
Oh, I found some Korean barbecue beef already sliced up. I think we'll do that for dinner tonight. I'll just make a big old thing of rice.
In the morning, can you do the sausage?
Yep, and I'll do sausage and eggs in the morning.
And
Let's go ahead and get some more eggs.
eggs?
Yeah,
Can I
they're
crack the eggs?
down that way.
Will I crack the eggs?
Crack the eggs? So you're
Yeah.
going to help me with breakfast?
Yeah!
Yeah. Okay. I can do sausage and eggs, and we have orange rolls too.
How many?
One.
Ow. You want 1 egg?
1 carton. Okay, we gotta check them out. So we don't want to buy one that has broken eggs in it.
How do you...
So the way to check them out, you just kind of pop it open. And the way that I check it real quick is I just make sure they all move. Because if one of them's broken, the inside is super sticky. And if they don't move, that means it's stuck to the carton and it's probably broken.
Yeah.
So that's how I check them. But I didn't really see anything in here that jumped out at me. I think we're good. All right, let's go. Okay, we're back home. Ben's had a rough afternoon.
Yes.
He was not having that haircut. And then he had like a fraction of a nap in the van. So he woke up all upset.
It's all sticky.
It's all sticky. Can't keep his shirt on.
He took his shirt off because it was covered in hair because he
Yeah.
wouldn't keep the thing on him.
Yeah.
Ugh.
I had every intention of trying to film in there, but there's no way. I had to help hold him down. It was crazy. So Tara and I went shopping at Aldi, and we found some Korean-style barbecue seasoned beef strips. So I'm going to stir-fry these things up, do a pot of rice. Do you want salad? Do you want to do that now, and we can have it like an appetizer?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today. It's raining outside. It's real crummy. It's only, good Lord, it's 5:30, and it feels like it's 11 o'clock at night.
Yep.
It's just real dark. It's been gray all day. I guess we're just going to hang out here. I'm going to cook dinner in a couple minutes, and then they added more Great British Bake Off to Netflix. So...
But we still have Daredevil.
But we still have to finish Daredevil. But whenever Great British Baking... Is it Baking Show? Great British Bake Off? I can't remember the actual title of it. Great British Baking Show? Well, you guys know what I'm talking about. Whenever that shows up on Netflix, it's like, full stop. We gotta watch all of it. It is by far the best competition show anywhere.
Yes.
So
Everybody's so nice.
yeah, everybody's great and positive. They're like helping each other. The competitors are helping each other. It's crazy. The judges are nice and genuine. The judges are helping the contestants. Like, it's so much better than any other competition show that we have here in the States, at least. I think that's it for today. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you know when these videos go up at 2 p.m. Eastern every day. And check us out at 5togo.com and patreon.com/5togo. And definitely check that out because we just added stickers as a reward to our $4 a month tier. So go check that out if you want some stickers. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.